In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view ETFs Heatmap in Tradingview. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to see a clear visual overview of exchange-traded funds, so you can quickly spot what's moving in the market. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. You don't need any special link for this. Just type the address into your browser's bar and hit enter. You can do this whether you're logged in or not, although having an account can unlock more features. Once the home page loads, give it a moment to fully display, since there can be a lot of content on the screen. Now, look toward the top of the page for the main navigation menu. In that menu, find the section labeled Products. This is where Tradingview groups most of its tools and market overviews. Hover your mouse over Products, or click it if you're on a smaller screen to open the drop-down menu. Take a second to scan through what's there, because you'll see different categories for charts, screeners, and various market instruments. From that drop-down, locate the option labeled ETFs. This stands for Exchange Traded Funds, and this is the entry point that will take you to the dedicated ETF section. Go ahead and click on ETFs. Tradingview will then load a new page focused specifically on ETF data and visualization tools. Once that page loads, you should see the ETFs Heatmap interface, or a link or tab that brings you to the Heatmap view. The Heatmap displays ETFs as blocks or tiles, with colors and sizes that represent different metrics, such as price change or assets under management. This gives you a quick and intuitive way to see what parts of the ETF universe are performing well and which ones are lagging. From here, you can switch between equity ETFs and fixed income ETFs. Look for filters, tabs, or drop-down menus that mention equity and fixed income. Selecting the equity option will focus the heat map on stock-based ETFs, while choosing fixed income will show bond-focused ETFs. This is useful if you want to compare how stock ETFs are behaving against bond ETFs, or if you're only interested in one type at a time. Take a moment to explore the available filters and settings in this view. You can usually adjust what the colors represent and how the blocks are grouped, which can help you tailor the heat map to your own analysis style. And that's all you need to view the ETFs heat map in Tradingview.